Oh my god, paradise.
Yeah.
It's so beautiful. I think it's the most beautiful beach I've ever seen.
Good morning guys from Koh Rong Island. Just 45 minutes boat ride outside of the mainland here in Cambodia. Today we're going on that 20 people, $15 per person kind of boat tour with snorkeling. What was it more?
Snorkeling, we are going to do some fishing. We are not gonna participate in that. But anyway, going after that to a beach, watch the sunset, and then view glowing plankton.
Wow.
Wow, that sounds super cool.
Yeah, sounds like a dream.
Yeah.
And I assume it's also supposed to be like a barbecue included.
Yes.
Drink as much beer if you want to, drink as much Coke as you want to, and water and so on. So super excited. We've never done this before.
Yeah.
But snorkeling we have done, and that is super fun. So
Yeah.
that is the first stop that we're gonna go to. So let's go and snorkel.
Yeah. So you can buy your ticket for the boat tour in agencies like this. You can see here what's included. And there are actually several of these like agencies along the coast here in Koh Rong.
The first stop of the day is actually going to be that island that you're seeing behind me, which the locals are referring as the small island where we're going to do some snorkeling. It's going to be lots of fun.
So this will be our ride for today.
You look awesome.
Time to snorkel.
You look awesome. You look awesome. Look at this, guys. We're going down there.
So that was quite fun. Now it's time to go out to the boat to lead to the next stop. We are stopping here now because people are going to do some fishing. And if you have watched our previous videos, you know that we are friends with the animals, so we are not going to do that. And it was really hard to avoid this fishing part actually, because all the tour has this part. So anyway, we are maybe going to swim instead.
Wow guys, we just arrived here at something called Long Beach.
Which is, oh my god, paradise.
Yeah.
It's so beautiful. I think it's the most beautiful beach I've ever seen.
Yeah, Cambodia really delivers.
Yeah.
I mean, this water behind us, this sand is so packed, so white, and actually you're gonna see it from the sky right now. Now you tell me how that looked from the sky. This beach, the Long Beach here in Cambodia in Koh Rong, is amazing. It's so beautiful. Look behind me. It's so damn white sand. Wow, what a place. So if you're ever getting the chance to come to Koh Rong or just getting your ass here, definitely go visit this long beach. It's so beautiful. You can just chill here for an entire day. It's just a few people actually. This is by far the whitest sand that me and Vanessa have ever seen in our entire lives. It actually looks like something that we are more used to, which is snow back in Sweden. Look at this sand, and also listen to the sound. So we don't only have the white sand, the crystal clear water, we also have a backdrop that looks something like this. A forest with mountains. Oh my god. Cambodia, I love you. Now, after spending a couple of hours here in the long beach in Koh Rong, which was super beautiful, white sand, but unfortunately we can see some trash, some plastic bottles laying around in this beach. Guys, if you're ever going here, bring your trash with you on the boat and throw it in a garbage can, please. Yeah. But now we're going to enjoy a barbecue.
Yeah, on the boat, and also the sunset from the boat.
Wow.
And then we're going to watch some glowing plankton.
Yes.
But it's going to be very dark, so you won't be able to see anything. So that's why we leave you here.
Yeah, we'll leave you here.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for watching this entire video. If you like what we're doing, thumbs up, and make sure to subscribe to our channel for upcoming videos. Yeah. See you in the next one.
See you.
Bye.
So this was what we got for barbecue. Pretty poor, I would say. But anyway, we're going to enjoy this super nice sunset.